I am Dr. R.P. Singh, dermatologist. I'll be talking on stretch marks, which is a common problem now. Stretch marks are basically linear scars on the body which appear on sudden stretching of the skin. Earlier it used to be seen mainly in females with pregnancy or very obese people. But now it has become a common problem of all adolescent children, growing children, and people going to the gym due to various type of deficiencies in the food. And if it is not looked after, once the scar is formed, you cannot do anything. Prevention is always there. The skin, hair and nails consume lot of proteins. The proteins make the major component of body building material, and the skin, hair, nail, they consume protein throughout the life in the form as it is shedding regularly. The upper layers of the skin, that is the dead layer, usually get changed within 2 weeks, and the inner layer, which is composed of the fibrous tissue, elastic tissue, which is damaged in the stretch marks due to breaking of this dermis, stretch marks appear. The protein component is taken if regularly in good quantity, then the skin will be healthy and it will not break and the stretch marks will not form. So my advice will be to all the parents and the young children and adolescent that the at least 1 gram per kg body weight protein should be taken. The proteins are there in the dals, that is pulses, and in the milk and all non-vegetarian diets. Pulses, at least 2-3 katori, that is at least 40 to 60 grams of pulses should be taken per day, and about a liter of milk should be taken per day by the children. That provides about 30 to 35 grams of protein. And if people are taking non-veg diet, then eggs should be also taken regularly. Then the skin will be healthy, and it should be started from the beginning of the adolescent period, so that skin, the major component of the skin, which is dermis, should be healthy, and this way we can prevent the formation of stretch marks. And once these stretch marks are formed, we can't do much. During the people who develop due to exercises and going to the gym or during pregnancy, they can also be prevented by using sufficient lubricant and massage of the skin at regular intervals. If somebody is wants further clarification or on anything on these stretch marks, they can contact me by Laborate.